Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you another newly launched based mat free character meme coin here. Its name is Raju the Red, Raju symbol. You can see friends, MEX exchange. I'm holding 5.3 million Radu cat coins. Recently I buy this coin around $150, but right now 15% pump and I have $165 worth Raju. But these all buyings are for short term. Still I'm not holding this coin for long term, and because this is made free character meme coin just like Pepe, so coin can be next big, maybe next $1 billion market also. You can see friends, in one day chart, coin initially launched with 0.4 times $1 and did 4x and reached 0.4 times $8 price. That was all-time high price. After that, continuously in these trends, 0.4 times $3. But right now, this is good breakout from this coin. In MEX exchange, $380,000 trading volume. Trading volume is good, and you can see friends, Rado, the new character inspired by Medfree frog theme Pepe. So you can also check out those all further details here. Current market cap $12.9 million. So friends, market cap is good. $6.6 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. Just like Pepe, you can see 420 billion supply all in circulation, and other Ethereum ecosystem frog theme meme coin and mad free character meme coins. So this is good. We are 63% down than its all-time high. They were 10 days ago, and all-time low was $0.5101. 2800% up than its all-time low. So this is really good performance from this coin. MEXC, Bitmart, Arbit, and Hybrid has already listed this coin. L Bank, Economy has also listed this coin. Sorry, Polnix and Wix Exchange has also listed this coin. So it's still lots of central exchange listing left for Rado coin. Maybe in coming few days we can see its listing on major central exchanges. You can see friends, this website is looking similar to Happy coin, that and other frog theme meme coin by Madfree, and the Madfree character meme coin. Like if you see friends, start the red Madfree character new meme coin. Start the red. You can copy its official contact address here on their website, and Telegram. You can join on X also. So overall community is good. Snam is Rajo, and you can check out 420 billion supplies. Zero buying selling text for this coin. This roadmap is provided here. So this is something good. On X friends, you can check out all further details. There's 6,229 followers for this meme coin within just couple of days. You can see, so this is good, joined in this month of May 2025. So within just 20 days this coin performed amazing, and 6,000 holders for this coin already. This is really good. And you can see friends, community is also active. 14 minutes ago they have posted about this coin, and so this is good friends. No doubt coin is looking really good, and maybe it's possible that we can see this listing on many other major central exchanges. You can see friends, let's be real, rather start the bull run on ETH, the first cam scale and cam pump. Okay, sorry, this is not frog theme but skrill theme meme coin, and you can check out all further details here also. Friends, now my price prediction for Auto is that as this current market cap just $12.9 million, super low cap coin, and we are still 63% down than its all-time high. And because newly launched meme coin, just 20 years old only, but its trading volume is good, $6.6 million trading volume. And as I already show you, still this coin is not listed on any tier 1 central exchange. You can see friends, there's no any tier 1 central exchanges, but already trading volume is good, and this is good friends. Overall tokens looking good, and because mad free character meme coin, skrill theme meme coin, and Ethereum ecosystem also, and a new meme coin newly launched. So maybe it's possible that this coin can make a massive hype in crypto market, and maybe it's possible that this rare coin can be the next maybe 500x or 1000x also. It's all depends upon hype. Maybe we can see massive hype mega bull for meme coins, and that time maybe it's possible that we can see Rato to be the next $1 billion market. My price prediction right now for this coin is maybe $5 to $10 billion, and it's really possible, but let's see what's happened with Rado. I think maybe Rado can gain $5 to $10 billion market, because friends, it's a lots of central exchange listing left for Rado. So it's possible that we can see its listing soon on major central exchanges. And after that, in mega bull run, it's really possible that Rado can gain maybe 5 $10 billion market. What's your price prediction about, or you can ask comment down below.